Welcome back. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for every Python developer, which is project structure. Whether you are building a small script or a large web application, how you organize your files determines how scalable and maintainable your project will be in the long run. We will look at the modern standards for 2026. You might wonder, why not just dump everything into one folder? Well, a proper structure is the skeleton of your software. It makes collaboration easier because other developers know exactly where to look. It simplifies maintenance, and it makes deployment smooth and predictable. A messy codebase is a recipe for bugs. One of the biggest debates is where to put your actual code. I highly recommend the source layout. Instead of leaving your code in the root directory mixed with config files, you create a dedicated folder named source, or Src. This clearly separates your application logic from metadata and tests, forcing you to install your package properly to use it. Next, let us talk about isolation. Never install libraries globally on your machine. Always use a virtual environment. This creates a self-contained box for your project, ensuring that dependencies for project A do not conflict with project B. You can create one easily with the python-m-venv command. How do you track what libraries your project needs? The classic way is a requirements.txt file. However, the modern standard is pyproject.toml. This single file can handle your build configuration, your tool settings, and your dependencies all in one place. It is cleaner and more robust. It is important to understand the building blocks. A module is just a single Python file. A package is a directory containing modules and a special file called __init__.py. This file tells Python to treat that directory as an importable package, allowing you to structure your code hierarchically. Your project root should only contain files that manage the project, not the code itself. This includes .gitignore to keep your repository clean, a README markdown file for documentation, and a .env file for keeping secrets like a PI key safe. Remember, never commit your .env file. Reliable software needs tests. Create a dedicated tests directory outside of your source folder. Mirror your source structure inside it. For example, if you have a main.py, have a test_main.py. This keeps your production code lightweight and your testing logic separate. Here is what the complete picture looks like. You have your root with config files. You have your source directory containing your actual package. You have a parallel tests directory. And you have your virtual environment folder, which is ignored by Git. This structure is clean, professional, and scalable. To wrap up, here are the golden rules. Always use virtual environments. Keep your source code in a Src folder. Explicitly define your dependencies. And strictly separate your configuration from your logic. Follow these, and your Python projects will be a joy to work on.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.